Afternoon, all the secondary student. Now today see, let's discuss the new topic, chemotherapy of protozoal infection. Chemotherapy of protozoal infections. That is anti-amoebic drug. Protozoal is having the anti-amoebic drug. Anti-amoebic drug. Amoebiasis is a amoebiasis is a protozoal disease caused by Entamoeba histolytica, that is called E. histolytica. That is called generally E. histolytica. Amoebiasis is a protozoal disease that is called by E. histolytica, and E. histolytica having the two forms exist. कौन से उसमें E capital histolytica, they having the two exists two forms. First one is the cyst tumor, and another is second is trophozoites. Okay, the cyst should be the inactive. ये क्या है? Inactive है, inactive form, and the trophozoites should be having the vegetative forms. The amoebiasis can be intestinal and the extra-intestinal. Now, the amoebiasis is intestinal. There are two forms: intestinal and extra intestinal. Amoebiasis are two forms: is the intestinal first, and second is the extra intestinal form. The main symptoms of symptoms of acute intestinal amoebiasis is dysentery. We went in the washroom. Dysentery लगती है आपको बार बार उसका sorry, it may be associated with उसके साथ में क्या रहता है? डिसेंट्री में के साथ साथ इज एसोसिएटेड विथ ब्लड, उसके साथ में क्या जाता? ब्लड जाता। म्यूकस इन स्टूल, म्यूकस जाता, एंड एब्डोमिनल पेन, पेट में बहुत पेन्स होते हैं, एब्डोमिनल पेन्स, एंड persistent frequently desire to pass stool. It's acute. The symptoms of the acute intestinal amoebiasis is dysentery. Dysentery, it is dysentery होती है, उसके साथ इट इज़ एसोसिएट, उसके साथ में क्या होता है, वो डिसेंट्री के साथ साथ ब्लड भी जाता, म्यूकस भी जाता है स्टूल में, पेट भी बहुत दुखता, एंड परसिस्टेंट स्टूल भी पास होता, फ्रिक्वेंटली वो स्टूल भी पासेस होते. बट इन क्रोनिक कंडीशन, ये हो गया एक्यूट कंडीशन के लिए, बट इन क्रोनिक, ज़्यादा सीवियर कंडीशन, इन द क्रोनिक कंडीशन, in the chronic condition it causes anorexia, abdominal pains, abdominal pain due to ulceration. They lost the mucous membrane of the intestine, ulceration of the intestine, and then itching problem is there, and constipation cause, they cause the constipations. ये हो गया आपका intestinal. Intestinal having the two type. This should be the intestinal having the two type: acute and the chronic conditions. In the acute is show the dysentery. Dysentery में क्या जाएगा? It associated with the blood, mucus in the stool, abdominal pains, and persist desire to the pass the stool. Continuous stool pass होंगे, ये होगा एक्यूट में. और सेकंड इसमें इंटेस्टाइनल में एनोरेक्सिया, यू नो इट वेरी वेल, abdominal pains due to the ulceration, loss of mucous membrane of the intestine, and the itching problem, pains, abdominal pains should be the developed continuously, and finally it cause the constipations. तो क्या करते हो? Constipation cause. ये हो गए intestinal. What happen in the extra intestinal amoebiasis? It is an advanced stage. ये कौन सी स्टेज है? ये एडवांस स्टेज है. It is a advanced stage. It should be include. इसमें क्या रहता? लीवर भी, लंग्स है, ब्रेन है, में इन्वॉल्व इन डिसीज, ये इन्वॉल्व होते ऑल इस ये डिसीज में. इज कॉल्ड एज एक्स्ट्रा इंटेस्टाइनल एमोएबियासिस. दैट इज एडवांस स्टेज. आपको डिसेंट्री हो गया, डायरिया हो गया, उसमें तुम्हारा लंग, लीवर, ब्रेन, मल्टी ऑर्गन should be involved, and that is called the intestinal amoebiasis. Okay, the amoebiasis is common in India. पानी चेंज हो जाता, थोड़ी थोड़ी होती है, पेट दुखता, थोड़ी थोड़ी डिसेंट्री होती है, वन स्ट्रोक में नहीं होता, उसको बोलते हैं amoebiasis. There are two type, intestinal and the extra intestinal. Intestinal again divided in the acute and the chronic. Okay, then extra intestinal is advanced stage. It involve lungs है, उसमें लीवर है, ब्रेन है, ये involve, and such disease is called as the extraintestinal amoebiasis. Now the drug. The drug used in intestinal. There are two type of amoebiasis: intestinal and the extraintestinal. Intestinal amoebiasis. Example, अभी ये drug used in treatment of intestinal amoebiasis. उसमें commonly drug कौन सा यूज करते हैं? metronidazole. Metronidazole commonly used. Another drug, tinidazole. Quinoline derivative. Imitin and antibiotic. The drug used in intestinal amoebiasis, example of such a drug are metronidazole, tinidazole, quinoline derivatives, imitin and antibiotic. Okay. Antibiotic are used, many antibiotics are used, erythromycin, tetracycline, you can use for treatment of anti-amoebiatic. Okay. Paromomycins, amoebicidal drug are used. These are the antibiotics are used. 8-hydroxyquinone derivative, you can use iodo-chlorohydroxyquine, chlorohydroxyquine, broxyquinoline derivatives are used. They are used vegetative and the cyst form, both are used, the quinoline derivative drugs. Okay. Now drug use in extra intestinal amoebiasis, example metronidazole, chloroquine, imitin and dihydroimitin. The drug used in the extraintestinal amoebiasis is metronidazole, chloroquine, imitin and dihydroimitin. Now see, अभी अपन metronidazole देखेंगे. Now common drug used both intestinal and extraintestinal amoebiasis. The metronidazole are commonly used. Marketed name so many times asked, Fazil. It's a marketed name, Fazil. So we have asked the question, give the following drug marketed name is a Fazil. Metronidazole is a broad spectrum. Metronidazole is a broad spectrum anti-protozoal drug, anti-protozoal drug. They are used drug both. Metronidazole is a choice of drug, for the both intestinal amoebiasis, extra intestinal amoebiasis. Is a choice of drug for the both. It is a metronidazole as a protozoal drug. It is active against trichomoniasis and also giardiasis. It is act as an antibacterial activity. Additionally, it show the antibacterial activity. Mainly is act as an aerobic infection, absence of anaerobic bacterial infections, absence of oxygen. Probably it is act preventing the DNA synthesis, DNA synthesis. Metronidazole commonly absorbed by orally, distributed over tissue and the fluid. Absorption takes place orally. Now the common adverse effect of metronidazole is nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, anorexia, absence of oxygen, epigastric traces, abdominal pain, पेट बहुत दुखता, and unpleasant. It cause also glossitis, inflammation of tongue, stomatitis, that is inflammation of the stomach, and vertigo. Therapeutic uses of metronidazole. It is commonly used in treatment of all forms of amoebiasis. It is used all forms of amoebiasis, both intestinal and the extraintestinal amoebiasis. It is used in treatment of anaerobic bacterial infection and aerobic bacterial infections. Okay, it is used for in treatment of Trachoma vaginitis. Okay, the so many drugs are used. Tinidazole similar to the metronidazoles. Understand? Now these are the protozoal drug. Okay, next time you can see the anthelmintic.